So here's the shore of the lake. All the trees without their leaves. And there's Craig. Craig always reads the signs and I take the photographs and the videos. I can't be bothered reading. One of my favourite places, walking in the native bush. Beautiful. Follow that man. And just like that, we're back in civilization. This is such a cool little place. Oh, who's this guy? There's a lot of holiday homes around here. That is one big house. So the mountain is just down there, and these houses get the most incredible view of that and the lake. So this is a new neighbourhood, probably only about 5, maybe 7 years old. It's very nice. On our way back now through the bush and out onto the lakefront again. And now we're going to head back up onto the road and take the alternate route back to the camping ground through the housing area. There's that guy again. They're upgrading the water mains, that's what that's about. This little coffee cart, I think in the winter months, I think it's only, what does it say? Open Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 8 till 12. Here we are. Back at our little house on wheels. One of Sid's favourite things to do is to look out the window, and he could hear a dog barking, so he's like, who goes there? Sid and I have just had a nap, and Craig's been figuring out how other things work. He's currently got the engine running because he likes to do that every couple of days just to make sure everything's okay. And the sun is starting to set. It's about 4:30 and we're off for another walk. So come and check out the other areas here in Kinloch by the lake. And this area is along the other way from where we're camping. And there's all these big rocks and boulders here on this little piece of bushwalk. We've got City with us this afternoon. He had his walk first thing this morning and he stayed in the van when we went on our bigger walk. just beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful late afternoon light. Isn't it gorgeous? There's the lake. Beautiful and calm. It's 4:45 in the evening. Isn't it gorgeous? Cute little houses here, and all of these houses along here get a beautiful lake view. So this bridge goes up quite steeply, so the boats can get through. Or can get underneath, I should say. And here we are, back at the campsite again, which is just straight ahead there. Well, that was a good day. More adventures tomorrow.